Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily edit your profile information on the ALFA Alumni Directory. So it's important to keep your profile updated so others can connect with you more easily. So let's get started. So step one is to log in. Let's go and log in now. The first step is to log in using your credentials, and I hope you have already used the temporary password which you provided and change it to a new password. So if you still haven't done it, please watch our previous video to know how to do it. So use your credentials to log in now. So once you're logged in, uh, the next step is to navigate to the profile setting. In the menu section, you will find a menu named as directory. And once you hover over it, you will find a profile section in the drop down menu. Click on it and you'll be taken to your profile section. So this is how your profile page will look like. In step 3, we'll be editing your personal information. Now you will see a page with all your personal information such as your name, email, graduation year and more. To make any changes, simply click on the setting options on the top right corner of the page. Once you click it, you will have an option as edit profile now. When you click it, now you can edit the whole profile section. You can add a picture of yourself. Let's say I want to add my photo here. Okay, yeah, I can crop it to this size and I can add this picture. I can add a profile header. Let's say founder at leathernews.org. Okay, I want this to be my profile header, and you can add your address. You can change your information over your graduation year, your current occupation, your professional information, the current organization. You can write a bio about yourself. There's no character limit over here. And you can select the country from where you are, the languages you speak. Let's say I speak Hindi, I speak French. Yeah, I can update the languages. I can also update my social media profiles so that it'll be more easy for your alumni to reach out to you. And once you've done it, you can click update profile now. And that's it. You have successfully updated your profile. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to us at actechalfa@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.